How to visualize international food trade using Chord Diagram by Visio chart in Microsoft Power BI. Click on Create button. Click on Paste or manually enter data box. Paste your data. Click in the Name text box to change the table name. Click on the Auto Create Report drop-down button and click on Create a blank report. Click on 3 dots and select Get More Visuals. Search for Chord Diagram by Visio chart. Click on Add button to add Chord Diagram visual. Click on Chord Diagram icon to add in report. Click on International Food Trade. Select Dimension and Measure. Click on Format Visual, go to General Settings and expand Title property. Set chart title. Click on the File button and select Save option from drop-down. Click on the Export button and export chart to PDF.